So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in the Quran, and we hear this verse all the time, about fasting has been prescribed. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kutiba alaykumus siyam kama kutiba alal ladhina min qablikum la'allakum tattaqun. That fasting has been prescribed unto you as it was prescribed unto those before you. La'allakum tattaqun. Interesting. So that we will develop the quality of taqwa. And that's the point I want to get at. There is a major misunderstanding with taqwa. After Ramadan, a lot of us pray the same way we prayed, isn't it? Before Ramadan. After Ramadan, we give charity the same way we gave charity before Ramadan. Follow the point I'm getting at. After Ramadan, we pray our 5 times salat just as we prayed before Ramadan. So now in Ramadan, we are fasting la'allakum tattaqun to attain taqwa. So what changed in our life? You understand? If nothing changed in our life, then something is wrong with our fasting in Ramadan.